So how can you test the iPhone camera? Let's talk about it and let's get started. So if this is your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. First of all, if you believe that something might be wrong with your iPhone camera, I would go to the settings, general, and about. And if there are some things which have been replaced on the phone, like serviced and changed parts, then you'll be able to see it in here. For example, in my case, I can see the display being replaced. Nothing with camera really, but if you would see like camera replacement, you would be able to see it right there. But to test out the camera functionality, you can stick with the built-in camera app. Nothing really wrong with that, but make sure that if you have like multiple different lenses on the iPhone's camera, like, the triple lens camera, usually just go through all of the lenses to see if all work fine, right? So just go to the 0.5x ultra wide to test out that camera, then go to the 1x and all of the zoom features. Make sure that it all works out fine, right? Just make sure that the image is clear, that the focus works, right? A lot of times the moving focusing part doesn't really work out that way. So try to focus on something which is too far away or something closer. That's a great way to test out the camera as well. Then you can also go to the video mode, make sure that it's also like smooth and it gets the job done. Go to the cinematics to see if the camera has the ability to like distinguish between the subject and the background. And of course, test out the other features as well, like the slow motion and all of that. And also do not forget to flip it to the front side so you can test out the selfie camera. There is much less to test out as the lens. There's only just one on the front side, and yeah, but the same principle. Make sure that it can focus and all of this. So that's how you can test out the iPhone camera. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one.